We are on our way going to airport. Ito na pala. Thank you for my driver na pogi for dropping me here in the airport. Dadrop mo lang ako.
Dito ka na
Okay, thank you so much, my love.